Hey there, fellow developers. Today we're exploring ZZZ Code AI, a free code generator that could be a game changer for your workflow. Is it as good as it sounds? Let's find out together. The website, zzzcode.ai/code generator, is pretty straightforward. It's designed to generate code based on your input, supporting multiple programming languages, which is great for developers working across different stacks. One of the standout features is its simplicity. Just type in what you need and it spits out the code. No complicated setup or lengthy sign-up process, which is a huge plus for quick tasks. The interface is clean and minimal, so you won't get distracted by unnecessary clutter. Now let's talk about the positives. First, it's completely free, which is amazing for a tool that can save you time and effort. Second, it supports a variety of languages, from Python and JavaScript to more niche ones, making it versatile. Third, the speed is impressive. You get results almost instantly, which is perfect when you're stuck and need a quick solution. However, there are some downsides too. Since it's free, the functionality might be limited compared to paid alternatives. The code generated isn't always perfect, so you'll need to review and tweak it, which kinda defeats the purpose of a fully... Also, there's no community or support system, so if something goes wrong, you're on your own. Another thing to note is that it doesn't handle super complex queries well, so it's better suited for basic to intermediate tasks. Overall, ZZ's Code AI is a handy tool for quick code generation, especially if you're in a pinch or just starting out. It's not perfect, but for the price, which is free, it's hard to complain too much. If you're looking for something more advanced, you might need to explore other options, but for casual use, it's worth a try. And that's a wrap. ZZZ or Recode. AI is a solid free option for code generation, but it's not without its flaws. If you're curious, give it a spin and let me know what you think. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this review, and subscribe for more content like this. Catch you later.